Now, if you want to charge your users to advertise their business, their profiles in the app, then you can use the same setup that we covered for when we want to approve users or approve posts, right? So what we have here is, again, if I go to my tabs, I have a couple tabs, which is the admin tab, where I have conditional visibility for that tab. Now this tab will show up for users that are admins. How do we see that? If we go to our data, to our profiles tab, I have a column here named admin. And in this case, my email address is checked, so I am an admin. If I log in as someone else, let's try this email, and I'll preview as this user. Since that user is not an admin, then he doesn't see those two tabs that I have as an admin. We have already covered that. Now, for admin, you go to your data on your profiles, and then you mark yourself as an admin. Now, as an admin, you have access to these other tabs. Now, what you can have is have your users set up their profile or set up their post, set up their business listing, and then you will approve that business listing as an admin, right? So here we have a list of places. And then here I have an admin tab for when the check value is approved. Now what I can do is on places, I will add a feature that I will filter this business listings for when approved is true. Now right now, none of the places are checked. Now since I am the admin, I can go to my admin tab and mark this. Remember here in layout, I'm a checklist layout, and then the check value is the approved value. So I can mark them, all of them as approved because they've paid, right, to be in the app. So now if I go back to my places, then all of those places appear. So that's how you set that up so that your clients can pay to appear in your app.